If you asked your partner to share location, would they? If you asked them to look at their phone, if you could look at their phone, would they give it to you and would they hand it over and let you go through it at your leisure? If either one of the answers to those questions is no, then here's a way around it. Here's a way you can get their GPS location, and here's a way you can see what's on their phone, the WhatsApp messages and the text messages and all that. And there's a way to do it without installing any software to the phone or an app. And you could also do it without having the phone or being anywhere near it. Now, the first thing you can do without having the phone or installing any app or software is to get their exact GPS location. So let's just say, for instance, again, you ask them to share their location, they just won't. Maybe you tried putting one of these GPS trackers in their cars, which is great because it tracks the car, but not the phone. Face it, people always have their phone on them, at least 99% of the time. So here's what you do. You go to instantid.info and you enter the telephone number into the search bar. The Instant ID will give you the approximate location of that phone first, and then if you want the exact location, you can send a text message through the instantid.info system. That's right, you won't use your phone to send the text message, and every search that takes place through Instant ID remains anonymous, so the other person will not be notified that you're searching their phone number. So when that text message is sent, you can use any one of the millions of phone numbers that are available to Instant ID. And then it reports back that phone's exact GPS location as a push pin on a Google map with the street address, the city, state, the zip, and all that other good stuff. Now, you can also track that phone's movement over a period of time, whether it be a day, a week, or a month. You can see where it's been, how long it was at each destination, how long it took to get to and from each destination and all that other good stuff. You can save the history inside Instant ID for up to 90 days. So it's a great way to be able to track a phone. Now, if you want to get their WhatsApp messages and text messages and even the deleted text messages too, and deleted WhatsApp messages, photos, videos, and everything else, because what a lot of people don't know, and what these other people who are deleting things probably don't know, is that when you delete something from a phone, it's not really gone. You're just telling the phone not to display that information anymore. But it still resides within the storage system of the phone. And that's just the way computers and phones and everything else works. It saves information and data randomly. So when you tell it to delete something, that piece of data stays there until another piece of data is written directly on top of it, on that exact spot. Until that happens, that information can absolutely be extracted from a phone, and the OTA apps and ProSpy is a great way to get it done. Now, these things are fantastic. You download the app rather, enter the phone number of the phone you want to monitor, and then you enter the license key that you get from the company. If you want to take a look at one of these OTA app demos, we have one for you. Just go to the bio and then tap on the link in the bio and then tap on the button that says OTA Spy App Demo. There you can see one of these things in action and see everything it could do for you. Now, these are two great ways to get information from the phone. And also, the OTA apps have utilities included in them, rather, to get the deleted messages from the phone. So again, as long as nothing's been written on top of them, those things can absolutely be extracted. So again, these are two ways to get really crucial information from a phone, and more than likely give you the answers that you've probably been looking for a very long time.